Hey, welcome back everyone to Phil Hill Knows. 2021 is moving ahead. The world has many challenges that we will overcome, but there are brighter days ahead. During this time, it's so important that we be sure to take care of who and what are most important in our lives. When you get your stimulus check soon, will you go and get something fun, or will you spend it on something that you really don't need? We hope that you would consider a smart investment in safety and security for your family. So, you buy a TV, or you buy boots, or you buy a security system for the price of the stimulus check. So we move on and think about our family and keeping them safe. How can we do that? With a smart home security package bundled here that we just reviewed. And this system is surely going to have all the pieces you need to take care of the family. It will have a smart 5-piece alarm system by the Eufy company. It will also have a smart video 2K resolution doorbell. It will also have a smart digital Bluetooth lock. The alarm system comes with control keypad, window sensors, motion sensors for interior protection. The alarm system also comes with a digital touchscreen keypad, all do-it-yourself that you can put in with little tools. Comes with a smart app, no fees, that you can control the system anywhere in the world. The doorbell allows you to answer the door for your visitors or to greet the unexpected guests. Has also recording and local storage. And the digital lock. It has a Bluetooth and smart capabilities allowing you to control it from the Eufy system and the app. So it's all about keeping the family safe. And while we keep them safe, we're going to do it all within the budget of your stimulus check. That'd be a smart investment. So think about this. You can get this bundle clicking below, coming up here in our app, because we're an Amazon affiliate partner. If you click in there, the pieces are already bundled. Click on kitco/Phil Hill Knows, and you'll find our kit there at a very reasonable price and surely meet your needs. Consider this the next time you go out for a purchase, who you really need to protect and what. Please like, subscribe, please press the notification button, and follow us along the way, as we'll have upcoming videos on protecting your packages from the package thieves, the porch pirates. We have a wonderful digital package that I'm sure you'll enjoy. Keep watching in the coming days. Thank you so much. Bye.